I want to talk about the immediate estate. It's a concept I've kind of thought about, and I think it's something a lot of people don't really know about, but it can be super valuable for you. So what it is I'm a financial planner, deal with financial services, investments, insurance, and life insurance can create an immediate estate. So once you get a life insurance policy put in place, that basically creates an immediate estate. All you have to do is keep making the monthly premium payments, and you're guaranteed that payout amount on your life insurance policy. So say you get a $500,000 life insurance policy, you put it in place, pay the monthly premium. From that day on, your estate will be $500,000 wealthier. All because you got that life insurance policy. That life insurance policy is tax-free on death. So here's a way you can create generational wealth immediately. And all you got to do is get a life insurance policy. And you're guaranteed the payout. You just got to make the premium payments. A lot of people are looking for quick rich schemes or ways to get fast wealth with a lot of risk. And this here is basically no risk. The only risk is that you're not able to continue paying the monthly premiums. As long as you pay the monthly premiums, your payout at death for your loved ones is guaranteed. That seems like a pretty good deal to me. And I think it would seem to be a good deal for a lot of people. You know, I did a Instagram post and also a YouTube short post this morning, just touching upon, creating an immediate estate through life insurance. And it's such a great concept. It can change your life. It can change it will change your life in the sense that you'll feel good about doing it, but it really doesn't benefit you. Whose lives it will change, or life it will change, is your beneficiaries, your spouse, your kids, your grandkids. It's going to benefit them. And when you've lost a loved one, whether it's your dad, like I have in the past couple of years, or a partner, spouse, or a parent, if you're a young child, it's a very emotional situation, and you'll see that bills will creep up quickly, and money is needed quickly. Some people have their hands out for it, whether it's a funeral home or CRA on taxes, or IRS if you're in the States. Life insurance pays quick. It pays usually within about 7 to 10 business days. That's pretty fast, especially if some of these amounts are large. So you can create generational wealth and an immediate state all within a couple weeks, maybe even a week, by just putting a life insurance policy in place. And also what I've seen in the past few years or so is underwriting requirements are a lot looser. So, they used to be a lot more strict, especially on smaller policies. Now you can get a pretty large policy, and all you need to do is just do an application. You don't have to submit blood, urine, doctor's report, EKG, all this stuff. I think also a lot of people just don't know about life insurance. They assume it's just something that's part of their group benefits plan, or if they have a mortgage at the bank and the bank attaches mortgage life insurance, or if you've got young kids, you should maybe just get a small life insurance policy until they're 18, and then that's it for life insurance. But you know what? Life insurance can not only protect you, but it can also be leverage and really used as an asset. And That's what I'm talking about here, an immediate estate. As I said earlier, it's tax-free. You know, sometimes you'll have investments that are maybe non-registered in Canada. You have RRSP or a RIF where there's only one spouse remaining. That full amount is taxable. Life insurance policy, $500,000 for example, on death, it's paid out tax-free. Plus too, sometimes depending on your premium, that your policy can grow because it has some cash value. And any growth on the policy is also tax-free at death. So if you're doing all these things like RIFs and TFSAs, you've got your house, you know, that's great. Good building blocks towards your overall financial wealth and plan. But another, you know, asset that you can put in the mix here is a permanent life insurance policy. Now they're a little bit more expensive because they cover you short-term and long-term. But the bottom line is when you die, it doesn't matter what type of insurance you have, whether it's permanent or term, just as long as there's a policy. So in the short term, if price is an issue, you can always go with a term policy, have that coverage, and then say if it's a 10-year term policy, when you get near that 10-year window, you can do what's called a conversion and roll it into a permanent policy without any underwriting. So that's another way. There's a lot of flexibility here. There's flexibility if you've got extra cash flow, you can dump it in the policy. That's down the road, but I just want to talk about here how you can create your immediate estate fast, and it's guaranteed. You know, I'm not saying, oh, here you go, you can get your $500,000 payout, but it's only contingent on this, or it's very risky. You've got to hope this high-tech investment or, you know, something very risky or your crypto, this has to work out. No, once the policy's in place, you make the premium, you are going to be guaranteed your death benefit. Fantastic. So, just wanted to point this out to you. I'm going to be talking about this many more times because this is going to be a key pillar in my YouTube channel, Legacy and Drive. Legacy is creating a legacy for your kids, your spouse, and yourself, your own legacy. Drive is driven in finance, driven in fitness, and I like cars, so I'm going to do a trio of issues here. But big part of it is going to be the immediate estate and creating generational wealth through life insurance. I think people need more information on it. I think sometimes life insurance gets a bad rap, and I think it's a tremendous vehicle and opportunity for a lot of families. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. And I'm looking forward to talking to all you guys and girls and ladies and gentlemen many times going forward. Thank you.